Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to buy Solayer. So guys, to buy this Solayer, following the steps on this video. Before start guys, this video is not financial advice. So guys, do only search before investing, and let's get started. So guys, this is listed on the screener and I will search this coin guys. Wait to search for this one. So guys, what you have to do, I go to the search bar and search for Solayer. Wait guys, for example Solayer. And this is the token guys, this is the one. And if you want to purchase guys, go to copy this address and I will go to my Phantom wallet, click Phantom and go to swap option, and after that click not now, click swap, and from here write your address of this token and choose the amount you want to buy and complete this transaction. So guys, I don't have enough money, so you can, if you have money, just complete these steps, and this is transaction. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.